Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Survivor.io and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how I found a way which got a mod menu, insane mod menu guys, and I'm going to show you how incredible it is, this one, and what I got it all for free. And I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, what you have to do and where you have to go if you want to do it also, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to open immediately the game so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then we're going to show you guys the whole thing. Just a few seconds to get connected. Okay, we are getting inside of the game, and now for example we can have here the mod menu. As you can see, we have unlimited bullets and skills. We press it on, we just close it, start the game, and check this out guys. All right, we're already inside of the game, and look at this insane mod menu guys. So practically you don't need to try any of this video telling you to do like unlimited money or something, because you can make your money by yourself, as you can see with this mod guys, which is totally insane. Look at this. And I have to mention to you guys, this method is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I'm showing you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users guys. And right now I'm recording with my iPhone, so I cannot show it to you guys for the moment. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna show it to you also with my iPhone, the steps, which in fact are the same, which I'm going to show you right now. But anyway, for any kind of reasons you might have, you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make a tutorial also for the iOS users guys, okay? So as you can see, with this mod you get insane skills guys, unlimited ammo, and you will make a lot of money with it, of course, also. So I'm not gonna say too much inside of the game so I don't make the video too long. I'll go immediately to show you guys step by step what I did in order to get this mod menu, okay? So okay, I'll not continue more because this game is really addicted. Okay guys, so practically all you need to do, you just need to make sure you have a good internet connection, and then all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser and look for a website which I'm going to show to you right now. Okay, I'll focus it for you right now. Here it is. You just need to enter inside of this app. As you can see, you have different categories over here. You just need, or you can choose through categories. Practically you can go to mods and find it by scrolling, or you just type in the searching bar, and all you need to do, you just need to look for a keyword of the game, Survivor, or you can just type, okay, here it comes, and then you just need to press the blue sign on the side. You have the whole information here, which you can check it by yourself, and then press the blue sign to download it. You're going to start downloading process of the mod, and by the end of this process you're going to be able to install the mod and get the mod menu on your game also, same as me guys, okay? So this is my video tour for the day guys. I just need to mention to you that if to anyone it might happen that it will require an extra step, this is because in the end of this process, this is because of the region where you are located guys. So if it's going to happen, you just complete what is required, you're going to be able to get this mod menu same as me guys, and you can play it with this insane mod, and you can have it without needing to pay nothing, okay? So this is my video for the day guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.